Hey guys, welcome to the Amazing Commute, episode 4. We're here in Bonifacio Global City and we're going to change things up a bit. So each of us has a list of tasks that we need to perform. I'll be going around by car, Janardan here will be going around through Moto Taxi, and Anjo here will be taking the Fido C11 e-bike. So stick around and see who finishes the tasks first.
Okay, so time check, 2 o'clock p.m. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, go! So, papunta na kami sa Mercury Drugstore sa may Shell, sa may malapit sa St. Luke's. Doon yung...
Okay, nakaka-book ako kagad ng rider.
So, I'm always here in BGC biking around because I live nearby lang. When we moved, mostly dito kami pumapasyal rin sa BGC. Dahil ito yung malapit tapos naalala ko yung laman nito, konti pa lang.
So yun yung disadvantage sa moto taxi, mag-aantay ka ng booking. Although ngayon hindi naman rush hour, medyo mabilis naman yung dating ng rider. Pero nga, mag-aantay ka pa rin.
Dapat CarPlay ka ba dito?
Yes.
Dahil mo gamitin mo na lang yun.
Sige, drive ka na, ako na bahala.
Why a lot of people who live here or live nearby or work here, they don't really have to leave BGC. Everything they need, whether it's for essentials or leisure or entertainment, nandito na. That's why a lot of people here, a lot of our customers in PopCycle, they choose to bike around the area because it's bikeable. Everything's around 3 to 5 kilometers away from each other.
Angkas po? Ah, yes po. Yes po. Sa Mercury,
one big benefit talaga of bike commuting is the time we save. I would always explain it as extension siya ng human body that gets you from one place to another. Way quicker and way more effortless. I know medyo maraming critics ngayon yung BGC dahil sa lack of parking. But that just shows ang daming bikers dito kasi puno yung parking nauubos.
Sige, nasa dulo lang yung Mercury Drug nitong kalye. Tapos, you know, chip pa natin. And one of the problems when you drive everywhere is you really think na pag kotse, parang hawak mo yung oras mo and that you're free to go anywhere. Pero, but because of traffic, because mahirap yung parking, you actually don't make a lot of trips.
Boss, saan yung Mercury Drug?
Hindi na sobrang traffic, pero may parking ba?
Hindi nga, wala.
Yung that iniisip din ng tao is, bibili ka ng kotse, una, may parking ka ba sa bahay mo? Pangalawa, may parking ba kung saan pupuntahan mo? Yun lang.
Ano sa Rizarga ba?
Saan?
kasama ko, kakarating lang din. Dahil nakabike.
Iula ko lang. So, the guard allowed me to park here, guys, itaas ko daw sa gutter. Yun nga yung challenges pag walang bike rack. Saan mo isasampa yung bike mo?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sige, salamat po. Salamat. Ay, helmet. Okay, ako nauna, konti.
Time check, 2:10 p.m. I'm entering Mercury Drug.
Kuya, saan yung Immunomax? Prescription pa.
We're done here sa first task now. Second task is to buy planners in Fully Book in High Street.
Bonifacio High Street. Mga 780 meters away.
Now that I've been actively pushing for electric bikes as an alternative mode of transport for 5 years now, the real challenge to me is, especially for residents here in BGC, which is very near our store, is how to convince them to invest on an e-bike to replace some of their car trips.
The point of this commute is to show what it's like to simulate what it's like being a BGC resident. So we're doing this thing called trip chaining. So hindi naman malayo yung mga pinapuntahan natin, pero medyo marami yung mga stops. Totoo sa mga hindi naman malaki yung BGC, pero does that mean na madali pagbiyahe within it?
Nasa Bonifacio stopover yung moto taxi. So mga ilang minutes away lang siya. 1 minute away.
So yan yung kino-convince ko eh. People who have cars, people who have other means, but they just haven't realized what value an e-bike can bring to them. So I think it's perfect for a lot of locals here in BGC. I know people who, they own multiple cars, but they bought e-bikes from us kasi kailangan lang daw nila if mag-gym sila, if bibili lang sila ng food sa mga favorite resto nila. So yeah, regarding sa lack of bike parking in BGC, they have proper bike parking pero hindi nga sufficient sa demand. We urge the management of BGC to add more because it's really good for everybody, your workers, your visitors, your establishments. Totoo yung bikes bring business. Because ako, I bike here, I go here to have coffee, maybe buy some stuff from other stores dito. A lot of food delivery riders rin, naka-bisikleta, naka-e-bike. And based on the shared data to us, there's only 34 racks scattered all around BGC. So if there's thousands of cyclists every day, kulang talaga to.
Okay na dito, kuya? Pwede na ba bumaba dito? Ah, sige, sige. Time check, 2:20. Kakarating lang natin sa fully booked.
So next task sa amin is to go to Landers. So far, tabla kami ni Janardan. He's also here. Sabay kami dumating. So let's see.
Medyo matagal yung pag-antay, pero dahil hindi ka na kailangan pumarada, mas mabilis na rin siya in a sense.
I'm sure a lot of people can relate na dito sa BGC, sometimes quick errands lang, mabibilisan. May kailangan kang bilhin na pagkain, may kailangan kang bilhin na produkto. Tapos marami ka pang ibang kailangan puntahan. That's why it makes sense to bike here. And tinan mo how useful that bike rack was.
So may bayad na yung parking. How about the dilemma instead of parking? Kuha ka na ba ng slot din nandyan na? Or hanap ka ng paspula bit? Oh, partition. Demo din.
Oo nga no.
Ito, pwede pa din.
Okay, time check, 2:30. Malapit na ako sa Landers BGC.
Bike lanes kasi, let's say ito ngayong dinadaanan ko, ayan, bike lane to pero walang protection. So ako, I'm an experienced bike commuter. So I feel okay, I feel safe. Alam ko na yung ginagawa ko. But how will this encourage, say, my relative, my sister, my mother, my friend who's never bike commuted? Alam nilang exposed sila to the hazard of a car running over them, motorcycles overtaking them. Ayan, on our left, yan yung issue na ayaw ng BGC, mga nagpa-park sa fence. Kasi nga, walang bike rack. Isa lang, ayan oh. Isa lang. Kaya may mga those forced to park on the fence. So sana, dagdagan nyo pa ng racks dyan. Kita nyo na nandyan yung demand eh, di ba? One more rack there, one more rack there. Walang magpa-park sa fence nyo, everyone will park properly. So hopefully, a first-class city will do the necessary adjustments.
Challenge niyo.
Ay, sige pa. Salamat. Salamat po. Okay, so far ako ang nauna dito sa Landers BGC, 2:32 PM.
We made it, we made it.
Ayun, sa dulo. Oo.
Yeah, so 2:35, officially nasa bike parking na tayo ng Landers.
Ayun, hindi pa sila gumagalaw.
Naipit sila doon. So kami guys, babalik na kaming Venice.
O baka naman sira yung ano nila. O time check 2:40, wala pa rin sila.
So nakakatuwa that we were able to complete the different tasks in just about 30 minutes. 3 destinations in total.
Every time I book, parang 3 minutes lang ako inabot para dumating yung driver. Per trip, 52 pesos siya. Yun yata yung minimum or something ng mototaxi. So for the 3 trips, 156 ako inabot. Less than 4 kilometers yung trip. So, technically, kaya siyang lakarin. Pero kung lalakarin mo siya, siguro abutin ng 1 hour mahigit yung mismong lakad pa lang.
Thankfully, may parking dun sa first stop. The guards allowed me to park sa my gutter. Sa second stop, may bike rack right in front of Fully Booked. And here in Landers, may bike rack rin. And of course, I was able to do it at my own pace. So I was able to choose the route that I wanted, which I didn't mind. It was the longer route kasi naka-e-bike ako. Siyempre, yung e-bike lang may cost. Pero if that's yours naman, di ba? Yung daily expenses mo is 0. to get around places. We got here 2:35.
2:32.
2:32, kayo 3 o'clock.
So we got here 30 minutes after the two other characters. So yeah, completing all these tasks, these simple tasks, took us 1 hour. If had I taken my bike, I probably could have finished these tasks in half the amount of time. Then if you're on the fence about bike commuting, then I suggest that you start with short, simple, basic trips on places that you're familiar with. That you don't really need to be going far. What matters is that you can just give bike commuting a chance and experience the freedom of moving on two wheels.